Good afternoon, my dear student. My section of solid projection. Your first problem is a cylinder of 40 diameter, 60 length, and having its axis vertical is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP, inclined at 45 degree to the HP, and intersecting the axis 32 above the base. Draw its front view, sectional top view, sectional side view, and to shape the plane. Your object is cylinder. Diameter is base 40 diameter and axis 60 Condition is perpendicular to VP or assume it resting with its base on HP. Now write down the details. The cutting plane details intersecting axis 32 above the base and inclined at 45 degree with HP. So guys, initially taking a XY line. XY line. XY line. Now we can draw a top view at first. Top view at first. Diameter is 40 Now we can divide it for equal part. And 4 part can be done 8 part. Now let's provide number each on every. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go ahead and made corresponding front view. In the front view, you can see having height you can see having height 60 above the base. above the base. Height is 60 mm. Sixty mm. This point correspond to one dash. This point is over here and correspond to 2 dash 8 dash. Dash 8 dash. And this point is over here and correspond to 3 dash 7 dash. 3 dash 7 dash. This one is the center line. You maintain this center line ratio. And this point is over here and corresponds to 4 dash 6 dash. 4 dash 6 dash. And this point is corresponds to 5 dash. And now this is the cutting point. This is the cutting point. This is the cutting point. Height is height is 32 mm above the base. 32. The cutting plane passing through this point and also making a angle 45 degree, something like this. Ending line is thick and mid portion is thin. You can draw the center line ratio. Now these are all cutting point, and name this point A dash, and B dash, C dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, E dash, sorry, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, this is the H dash, H dash. Okay. Now we can draw a sectional top view. This one is hashing line. Angle is 45-degree angle, and minimum distance is 2 mm. Maximum distance is 2 mm, minimum 1.5 mm. This is the sectional top view. Now you can draw a line, and you can draw a sectional side view. Sectional. First you can draw a vertical line of this portion. And now let's done a line angle. This is the horizontal line for all point. And let's done a line angle is 45 degree. Angle is 45 degree. And you can draw a vertical line all this point. This is the height. Now all this line over here, you can draw a horizontal line through cutting point. And many points can be worked out. This one is the one dash 5 dash 1 dash 5 dash. This one is, this point is over here, and point is 8 dash 6 dash 6 dash. This one is 7 dash. This one is 3 dash 2 dash 2 and 4 dash over here, and this one is 2 dash 4 dash 2 dash 4 dash. And this one is 7 8 6 1 5 2 4 and 3. And many points can be worked out. A point, A, here we can say the one A point, A, A, A double dash. This one is 5 5 H double dash, H double dash. This one is F 4. This one is G dash, G double dash. This one is F double dash, F double dash. This one is Sorry, this one is G double dash. This one is F double dash. And this one is D double dash. D double dash. This one is E double dash. E double dash. Hmm. C double dash or B double dash. Double dash. B A B C. Okay. And the connect the all point. You can draw the HB pencil. You should reach the French curve. This shape is almost circle. And now hashing this portion 45-degree angle. This is the HB pencil. You can use this portion. And it is also HB pencil. This is the front view. This is the side view. Now you can draw a true shape of the section, and you can draw a plane. And you can draw a perpendicular line. This is the perpendicular line. It is also perpendicular line. Angle is 90-degree. You can draw a perpendicular line. And now you take a compass and draw. You take this distance. This one is the 1 point. This one is the 1. and you take this distance from center section E to this distance. Now you cut the line and take this distance, and you take this distance and cut this distance. And if you take this distance and cut this line, this is the, yeah. Now you connect this all distance. You can use the fence curve, and this section is hashing. This is the true shape of the section. True shape symbol. Thank you, my dear student.